Hello South Africa. National shutdown, roads, sites, and regions will be affected in Western Cape. With the looming threats of a national shutdown planned for Wednesday, we take a look at which roads, sites, and regions in Western Cape will be affected. The Congress of South African Trade Unions, COSATU, has shared details about the times and assembly posts for the strike. Taking to Twitter, COSATU shared a series of images for the meeting points of those participating in the national strike. Everyone is expected to meet at 9 o'clock on August 24, 2022. COSATU said Western Cape Province decided to participate in a form of a picket to demand a more functional, timeless, accessible, affordable, and integrated public transport. Their target area is Prosa Metro Rail. The national strike on August 24 is against the rising cost of living, fuel costs, and load shedding. In October last year, COSATU held a national strike over similar concerns. The Federation also held a march in Cape Town protesting public transport costs earlier this month. The report furthermore states the following risks could possibly be faced because of the national shutdown: slow motorcades, barricading of roads, marches, public transport disruption, staff absenteeism/late arrivals, and damage to property. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.